Hello friends, welcome to the third International Conference on Virtual Reality, which is being started today, the 15th of November, and will be held till tomorrow. It is being hosted by Haran University, Turkey, in association with Graphic Irahil University, and the two journals, you see their logo at the bottom of the page. Now, virtual reality, it lets us make our dreams come true. Technologies today enable us to experience the past, present, and future using virtual reality in an entirely unprecedented manner. It is true that virtual reality has been around for more than half a century. However, only with the recent related hardware and software innovations, it has reached the required advanced level for delivering the feeling of reality. The International Conference on Virtual Reality, it started in 2019 and continued in 2020, last year, to bring together leading industrial researchers, scientists, engineers, practitioners, and students from universities, research institutes, industries, and organizations all around the world to exchange their latest research ideas, methods, findings, and to share their experiences. Now, we are happy and proud to invite you to the third edition of International Conference on Virtual Reality, which is being held at Haran University. This third edition of this conference will showcase the newest developments in the theoretical, experimental, and applied aspects of virtual reality, augmented reality, and related technologies in Turkey and around the world. The focus of this conference is on applications in the field of, say, engineering, medicine, health, sports, and education, without being limited to them. Means there are many fields which are where the applications of virtual reality are immense, really immense. We are extremely grateful to our partners, Graphic Irahil University in Dehradun, India, Leucoline, the wonderful platform by our dear Dr. Dursun Kaslan, the Journal of Distance Education Engineering, and the Haran University Engineering Journals. We are grateful to them for their support and collaboration with us. The online videos which are being recorded as a part of this conference proceedings, they will be published on our YouTube channel. Due to pandemic times, the conference is being held online, and Zoom is being used for video conferencing in our private program. We are happy to announce that the abstracts and full paper will be published in the proceedings with ISBN number. That we are happy to share with you that our presenters are from various countries. In fact, you can see that they have covered almost all the 4 or 5 continents. They are from Turkey, India, Botswana, Ghana, Brazil in South America, Iran, Pakistan, Canada, Tanzania, etc. So you can say that a diversity of the presenters, they are representing the conference this time. We are very happy to welcome as the keynote speakers. Let me give a brief. Professor Gulshun Kurubachak is a very senior professor at the Department of Distance Education, Anadolu University. Then we have Dr. Kezia Mkwizu, from the Directorate of Research, Publication and Innovations from the Open University of Tanzania. Another keynote speaker from Brazil, UNISAO, Dr. Matthews Talha is a very seasoned professor of psychology and management. And it will be really a pleasure to listen to his experiences from the continent, which sometimes people are not aware about that what is happening in those parts of the world. Dr. Yashpal Sharma is an acclaimed expert in augmented reality and virtual reality applications. Currently, he is the ICT, Information and Communication Technology expert with the Central Institute of Education Technology at National Council of Educational Research and Training, the apex body in India for curriculum designing and the school instructions technology for that. Dr. Yakub Cenk is from Department of Computer Engineering at Gezbe Technical University in Turkey. Then we have another friend, Dr. Ufuk, from the Department of Computer Engineering, Sayektepe University in Ankara from Turkey again, and Dr. Emin Ibili from the Department of Healthcare Management. And it will be wonderful to listen to their experiences, that how the applications of AR and VR, they are being transforming the education field in there. Another speaker is Professor Irshad Hussain from the Department of Education at the Islamia University of Bahawalpur in Pakistan. He has done a lot of good work in this area, and it will be interesting to listen to his experiences. Dr. Hamid Muhammad Azimi is the instructional technologist in Islamic Azad University at the Central Tehran branch in Iran. And he has done good work in educational research, education technology. And we are very happy that he has joined us in this conference as one of the keynote speakers. Dr. Simon Peter Kafui Aheto is from the Department of Distance Education in the University of Ghana. And he has been working in the field of distance education for quite a long time now. And it will be interesting to listen to his experiences in the perspective of Africa. Professor Moram Agazadeh is the president of Kani College of Education in Canada, and he is an international expert. He has been providing his expertise on instructional design, curriculum design to the international bodies like UNESCO, UNICEF, etc. And he has widely traveled around the globe providing his consultancy there. So it will be fantastic to listen to his ideas as well. And so with this introduction, we all welcome you to this conference. And we look forward to having a very broad spectrum of ideas which are being presented by not only our keynote speakers, but by the presenters as well. As you will see that we have received around more than 40 presentations and covering a wide range of activities from education, business, teaching, learning, and in another areas. So have a great conference, and do keep in touch. Thank you so much.